The new world of work, fueled by rapid technology enhancements, is transforming organizations around the globe. In the digital workplace, the rules of the game have changed, allowing you to get your job done from anywhere. My name is Ulrika Hedlund. I'm passionate about technology and the impact it can have on our lives. In this video series, I'll share my expertise to help you succeed in the digital workplace. Hi, and very welcome to the first episode in this video blog where I will share practical advice to help you succeed in the digital workplace. In the traditional workplace, where you go into an office every day, you need to dress up for the job and make sure to socialize with people in the office in order to be successful. In the digital workplace, you might not even have a physical office to go to. So instead, you need to dress up your digital profile. And you need to socialize with people by providing them with information and feedback and ideas online. The most important part of your digital profile is your headshot. So with me here today, I have Marco Zirdum, who's a professional photographer with more than 20 years experience. So tell me, Marco, what are the secrets to the optimal headshot?
The first thing is for sure facial expression, because this is your ID and your image, what you're sending out to the world. And secondly, it's quality of lights. If you're trying to hide your wrinkles or something like that in a nice way, or you want to show like stronger personality, then you go a little bit sharper and stuff like that. So quality of lights for sure, and the equipment, which including the camera and the lenses, right lens and stuff like that.
Are there any clothing that you should not wear when you take a headshot?
Of course, you should not match the color of your clothing with your background. So if you have white background, you cannot wear the white things and stuff like that.
And what about patterns? Is there like you shouldn't have stripes or polka dots, or does that matter?
Stripes are producing moire. So sometimes they can produce like very nervous pattern on a picture or something like that. They're not good for the printing. And
so stick to more solid colors and don't match the background with the color of what you're wearing.
Exactly.
Great. So finally, if you don't have the opportunity to work with a professional photographer as yourself, or go to a studio and you need to take the picture yourself, what are some recommendations you could share?
You have to find a nice source of the light, like a window, big windows. That's the perfect. Then you have to use some background there. So you can go outside as well when it's a cloudy day or something like that, because the clouds are produced like very nice and soft light.
Okay, so it's better with a cloudy day rather than a sunny day.
Yeah, for sure. And match the colors. That's it. And ask someone to take your pictures, no selfies.
Okay, so the selfie is not. Do not do a selfie for your headshot. Okay, thank you so much for your time today.
Welcome.
Sometimes I meet people who aren't comfortable having a close-up of their face as their profile picture. I always encourage people to have their face as their profile picture, because if you meet in real life, people will recognize you. With that said, if you're not comfortable, you can still have a profile picture that doesn't show your face, but that still says something about you. One example could be reading your favorite book, or hiding your face behind a camera, or using a photo of you doing something that represents you well. Once you have a headshot you're happy with, upload it to your digital profile. If your organization is using Office 365, log into the portal and click your profile picture in the top right corner to go to your profile page. Click the profile picture and upload your headshot. It might take a while, but eventually the picture will be synchronized across all Office 365 communication channels, such as Skype for Business, Outlook, Yammer, Teams, and so on. The profile picture is the most important because that's what people will see the most. But it's also important that you share other information about yourself, such as which schools you went to and degrees you have, your skills and expertise, and projects you're working on. When you're done with your corporate profile, you should also make sure to update your public profile on LinkedIn. which is where people outside your organization see you. Some people think of LinkedIn as a recruitment platform and they only update their profile when they're looking for a new job. You should think of LinkedIn as a large corporate directory where you can connect with people all over the world. So it's very important that you update your profile here as well. Your profile on LinkedIn isn't just visible when people go to the LinkedIn website. With the new updates of Outlook, people outside your organization that you're connected to on LinkedIn will see your profile picture in Outlook. There, now that you've dressed up your digital profile, you're ready to get into the spotlight. In the next episode, I'll share with you how you can leverage the power of the cloud to show off your work, share documents with others, and easily access your information from anywhere. I'm Ulrika Hedlund, and this is Succeed in the Digital Workplace. Thank you for watching.